Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, I will show you how you can insert automatic text in AutoCAD without any manual input. We will place complete architectural text without any manual input. This will save you a lot of time. We will load one LISP routine. OK. Type upload. LISP routine additional software that give extra command and save time and effort. This LISP OK. Auto text, the short key ATX. Just load from here and close, OK. And let this very carefully. The short key we are getting ATX, OK. Type here and enter. You will get detail dialog box, OK. With label, text angle, text scale, OK. We will keep text scale 27. Take M bedroom. Click here, which is master bedroom, OK, and click here. Click and click here. Wherever you want to insert your automatic text, just click repeatedly. You do not require any manual input. Now I have to place other text. Enter. Let this bathroom and click over the point. So from the selected dialog box, you are getting pre-made button. When you click over the button, it asks you click over the point. No need to edit anywhere. Just click wherever you want to place. Just click like this repeatedly. And when you need to insert new text, then simply enter to get the box. Okay. Let this living and click here. Where you are getting living room, just simply insert like this. Enter again, dining. Enter again, take this here, corridor, lift, stair, kitchen, enter. Here you are getting a smaller duct. You can reduce text scale from here. And we will keep angular text. Let this 45 angle. And click here. One more, click here. Enter again. Let this 0 angle. And 27. We'll place service room. Firefighting cabinet. You can reduce text scale, OK. Let this 20. Dress area, we are getting smaller size. Click here. Balcony area we are getting at 90 angle, right? Let this here. Keep text angle 90. Text scale 27. And click over the balcony, OK. And click here. So you will get angle text. Enter. Text angle 0. Let this hall. So this complete text we have placed successfully. You can customize your own text. You can insert your own text in this LISP. You can download this LISP routine along with 300 plus advanced automation tasks. Just check out the link below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.